are going to love the 2015 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.